got another piece to show you guys of my now growing lanyard collection. I ordered, this one is a caramel color. I'm going to undo it because I'm going to use it for my caramel bag that I'm in. This is the Wren, guys, in the beautiful color caramel. And believe it or not, this was a bag of the month. It is in my bag of the month playlist. I did add this cute necklace. I made it into a charm. Just put a little bit of clips here and there, and now it's a purse charm. And I have put some of my fun keychains on there to give it some personality. So I do love to decorate my bags. I would normally put a shawl somewhere here too, but I can't find it. So this is pretty. I like it. Yeah, this is just a simple braiding kind of hoopy necklace. So all I did was I clipped it together here with its own clip. And then I clipped the back here with one of those rings to it, and it made it into this cute little decorative piece. I love it. So like I said, this is a former bag of the month. So my bag of the month playlist will be listed on the bottom, guys, for all of you who miss seeing the bag of the month. Of course, I won't be back till January to continue my bag of the month unboxings. And I want to say thank you to everyone who has been here. And yeah, we're getting down to the last videos of September. And of course, if you're not, please go follow me on Instagram. I will be more active there, so you guys, if you miss me, you can see me there. So again, this is the lanyard. This is caramel. I think I have all the colors now. I do enjoy these. I love them. So I thought, you know, they're always on some kind of sale. Make sure you wait for the sale. Don't pay the full price, guys. But they are a pebbled leather. Look how cute this is. Oh, I love it. Yeah, and I'm going to be hooking this somewhere on here as well. After the video, I'll do a photo shoot for you guys. Like that, I'll show you this color as well. Remember, caramel. Now this one is the Saffiano. I think this is the Saffiano leather. I always get the name wrong if it's the Florentine or Saffiano. I think it's the Saffiano because it has those beautiful lines kind of in the leather and the caramel color. I love it. I couldn't believe that this was a bag of the month. Of course, it's the Wren. Beautiful hardware gold, 2 handles. It has this large pocket in the back here. Now in this bag I fit a lot, so I did. I have just some wipes I like to have with me because when you go out, it's nice to have so you can wipe down stuff before you use or sit, you know, that kind of thing. Jump right in. So there it is. It's a huge bag compared to the small bag of the month that Dooney does. So I wanted to get more other colors of this, but I did, and now I'm kind of kicking myself because I don't think they have this leather, the bag in this leather anymore. But they always bring a bag, so I'll keep an eye out for that. With this bag, I'm going to be using this journal set from the Coach. This was a new drop a couple of months ago. I don't know how to say the name. It's really tiny, but I'll bring it forward for you guys to see. I think it goes so nice with it. This is the journal I'm going to be using with it. That's going there. Oh, I just put a card for it. Oh, it just fell out. Of course, I have the pencil case for that. I did have it, so I ordered it together. Now the unboxing of this set is in my Coach playlist. I'm going to be putting some playlists on the bottom for you guys to go have fun if you miss me and watch. So this is beautiful. I think it goes so nice with the caramels, the naturals, any of the warm tones that Dooney does. These Coach pieces go so nice with them. I love them. I have a huge collection of this too. I found in myself an older piece I had gotten from Coach. I believe this is like a makeup case, the brown makeup case. I don't know the name, guys. Couldn't even tell you, but it should be in my playlist. It's not exactly the same colors or pattern, but it's a floral, so it goes with it. This is my everything drawer, my junk drawer, however you want to say it. I have everything I need in there and more. And I love the shape of this. It's kind of like a camera case shape. It's a dome shape. So I love it. It works really well with the bigger bags. Now the Ren has a lot of organization in here. My mouthpiece. I threw in there my large Kiss Luck. This one is in the suede honey. I have a lot of these in different colors. I thought the honey went the most with this case because it's warm. So the natural goes nice with the honey. I'm using this as my medical diabetes kit, guys, because I don't like the way those black ones look in the bag. This is a much more fun way to organize and keep your medical things. So that's my diabetes kit. Love them. That's a lot of room in here. So in the back here, it has this big flap pocket. And it's red. It does have the leather trim. And in the back here, it has the zipper pocket. In my zipper pocket here, I just have some feminine stuff and the paperwork for the bag. Let me make sure I'm saying the name right. So yeah, this is the natural color. It is the Ren Zip Tote. Yeah, Zip Tote. Ren Zip Tote. Wow, my eyes are really bad. But yeah, it was a bag of the month. Can't believe it. I know. I don't know why I have my full perfume in there. This is a perfume one of my subbies sent me. I love it. She wants to remain anonymous, but thank you so much. I do love it. Everybody says how nice it smells. I so appreciate it. Thank you. I am using some Patricia Nash with my stuff. You're going to see a lot of brands here together. So we have the Coach, the Dooney, and the Patricia Nash. One of those rolled pencil case, everything case, and I am using this for my actual pens and stuff like that. I don't like it when the pens are rolling around in there. I will have sometimes a decorative pen, like one or two, if it has a pen slot. But if it doesn't, I don't like it rolling around in my bag because somehow they always leak. And I don't know how to get out the pen stains, so I try to keep them contained. I love this piece. I do believe this was like a gift set. It came with a couple of pieces. But this is one of my favorite pieces to use with my natural and all those warm tones. I love it. Patricia Nash, guys. If you see them, pick them up. They should be coming out soon in all the like Ross's and TJ Maxx, that kind of stores. The Christmas holiday gift sets should be coming out, and you can find them in those. So I wait for those so I can pick up other colors. And we're almost at the end. It does have a kebab. My kebab is holding my son Kipling Mama Monkey with the baby. And I was happy to use it with this because it kind of goes, look how nice it goes. Because she is a nice warm orangey color with the blue baby. I also am using one of my older keychains right here. This came with a weird strappy thingy on one of my older bags, like this one, the green one here. And it has this weird strap that doesn't go anywhere. You can't even undo it or tie it. So I took it off. I have a lot of these rings from when I cut off the rings from my my little coin cases from Dooney, and I keep these. So it is Dooney product, and I just use it as the strap like this. And it works so nice for my keys. Love it. We got Kipling. So my wallet, I am using, guys, this beautiful, oh, beautiful large kiss lock. I believe this is Birds of Paradise. It is a Patricia Nash. This was gifted to me by one of my wonderful friends here. I just love it. Ivana, thank you so much. Ivana's channel, I will link on the bottom, guys, for you guys to go check her out. She is probably the most influential and reason why I actually started my YouTube. I saw her videos first. She has the most amazing collection. I will link her on the bottom, guys. Go check her out. Obviously, if you're here, you know her, but for that one person who doesn't, you want to know her. I will link it. I love this so much, Ivana. Thank you. Look at the size of this. It's a kiss lock. I love it. Birds of Paradise. It has the most beautiful colors. Look at that. And the background is, I believe, a natural, and I have to use it with this. I mean, come on. It was made for it. And this is a big bag. You can carry it. Came with its own little attachment. I'm using this as a wallet. It has a lot of compartments, a zipper, and it works really well for me because I have a lot of cards and paperwork that I have to carry. And then this is my little coin case that I've converted into a coin case. This is a vintage kiss lock. It was a sewing kit, so I just took everything out. It does have little pockets in there, so you can put your change. I'll show you. It'll fall out. Look, there's like a slot in there that it was holding all the vintage buttons and stuff. But I put my little bit of coins. I mean, you're not going to carry a lot, but I just love it. I love the two-tone of it. I think it goes beautiful with this. And it's so tiny, it fits in my wallet here. So I'm using as my wallet. I am loving this color scheme, guys. This is more me, the warm, I want to say fall colors that is coming up. I love it. I do gravitate for these colors more than the lighter colors, but I do like my lighter colors as well. But yeah, so far this is what I'm in, because I have some bags coming that I got from Coach, and I was even bad on eBay, so it's gonna be an easy switch. I'm hoping to get those in before my month is up. Of course, this is my last month here till January. I'm hoping to squeeze in those videos as well, and then I'll be able to switch into them easier with this color tone. Go to here. See that nice big opening. What I love about this one is it doesn't have that middle divider. Sometimes I like to have those, sometimes I don't, but I love that this doesn't have it. So you have a nice big opening. This is great for if you have those little organizing kind of sacky things that you can put in and out. These hold those really well. But the wren does hold its shape very well. As you can see, it's always been on display. I try to at least use it once a year. It deserves to be loved and used. It's a beautiful bag. So let's look in there. I love the trim. Like I said, it does have the leather trim. So look at this big flat pocket, the big zipper. Then on this side, it has another big flat pocket. This is where I had the journal. And then it has two little flat pockets. And here I have my readers and my new Golden Girls Dorothy fun little, it's a candy thing, like a mint thing. I don't like the candy it comes with, so I throw those away. I put my gum in there. But I love to have these. I have all the girls. And then on this side, I just have my regular glasses. Okay? And that's it, guys. This is my what's in my bag. Wren. In the natural, beautiful. I want to say again, it's a Saffiano leather. I think I'm not sure, because I always confuse the Saffiano or the Florentine, but I know that the last month, bag of the month is Florentine, so this has to be Saffiano. It does have those nice kind of lines in it. I just can't remember which is which, but yeah, it's a beautiful bag. Again, that is a necklace. that I made into a fun little charm. I have so many necklaces. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this fun little switch out. I have a couple more videos planned for you guys for the month. And again, if you're not, go follow me on the Instagrams that are going to be listed on the bottom. I am going to be more active there for the months that I am not here on YouTube. I'm just taking a little break, guys. I'm not gone for good. So please don't unsubscribe. Stay with me. I just need this time for myself to figure out some stuff. So I do appreciate everyone's love and support. And I want to say thank you to everyone, and I hope to see you guys over there, and thank you so much. Mwah.